And when you're 18 or 19 years old, that your hair is like a really big part of like who you are. I spoke to one of my closest friends at the time, and I just asked her like, hey, like, do you see thinning? And she's like, yeah, like, I don't know what's going on, Hector. Like, you're not that old. And I was like, yeah, I don't know either. Like, I think it's just medicine. Like, I'm not scared anymore. I'm not like self-conscious about my hair anymore. I kind of just go out and do what I want to do. And that feeling and that confidence, like, it was always in here, but I think it was hidden away. Hi, my name is Hector. I am 25 years old and I live in Boston now. And I've been using hair systems since I think last November. My whole like hair loss journey, if you want to call it that, really started when I was, I think I was 18 at the time. I was playing a lot of soccer. I had athlete's foot, but I finally decided to go to the doctor, and I told my doctor, like, hey, like, what can I do for this? He said, oh yeah, don't worry about it. Like, we'll give you this medicine. So I took this medicine, thought everything was fine. A few months passed and I saw that my feet were getting a lot better. But then the problem later became that I also noticed my hair was thinning. So at 18, I decided to start using Topic. I started also like picking up Rogaine and using Rogaine. And for an 18-year-old to have to do all of that, that's kind of tough. You know, that's not the best thing for someone to have to do. Like, I remember when my hair, I felt that it was thinning, I would bring a comb with me everywhere I would go. Even through university, I would always have a comb on me, and I would comb my hair as soon as I would get to whatever building I'd be in. I had a few friends tell me like, oh, like, just rock the bald look. And I don't know, like, I'm 25 now. I don't feel like I look 25. Like, I don't have a beard. I don't really have a mustache. I can try to grow as much as I can, and I still don't really get anything. So that was the thing. It was like there was no real solution for me other than to just like use Topic and Rogaine, and those fibers get everywhere. I would have to be careful where I lay down and all of that, and that's not fun. Having to kind of be hyper aware of everything just because of your hair, that's not something 18, 19, 20, 21-year-old should have to deal with. I would advocate, yeah, like if you're thinking about getting a hair system, do it. It definitely saves you a lot of time. I remember I used to have to apply the Topic into my hair every single day, and it would take me like an hour or 2 hours just to do that. And the amount of stress that all created to do that, it's all been relieved now with the hair system. Honestly, like, it takes me 2 to 3 hours, maybe sometimes even 4 on a Sunday to just reapply and everything. But at least like with the current application that I have right now, this is day 8. So over a little over a week, I could probably wear this until on the next week too. You pay 4 hours for a week long worth of really good hair. I've gotten compliments from friends like, oh, like, you grew your hair out and stuff like that. And I was like, yeah, I just say I grew it out, because people that you haven't seen in a long time because of COVID, when you come back, they're like, your hair is like the last thing that they worry about. Where before I was kind of like always self-conscious of like, oh, like, are they going to see my hair? Are they going to say something? No, like, the people who care about you won't say anything. And I currently use Ghost Bond Platinum for the hairline, and then I use Walker Extendabond for like the rest of it. I use 2 big pieces of Extendabond and then just Walker tape on the front of it, and that's been pretty quick. Like, now I've optimized it to be able to get all this done so fast. Not everyone has the same path, you know, and I know that this is the path for me, at least. Like, I found this to work really, really well, and I'm really glad that I am now able to kind of share this message with other people and just tell them like, yeah, go for it. Like, if you think it's gonna save you time, if you think it's gonna kind of like save you stress, go for it. You know, like, who's to tell you that you can't do something? This is my second piece so far, and I've been in love with it. I think if you're thinking about it, if you're on the fence, I would say do it. Look for a stylist around you that can kind of cut in and kind of like cut your hair really, really well. But that's the thing. It's like hair cutting and everything seems like normal because it's just like you have normal hair, you know, like you just have to maintain it and all that. It'll be one less thing that you worry about, you know. Like, I remember being in those shoes, kind of looking at everyone's head, like, is everyone looking at my head too? And no, that's not the thing. People aren't really looking at you as much as you think they are. And at least like for me, this thing kind of helped put that peace of mind. And now, like, you see a big smile on my face. I mean, that smile was always there, but now it's not as self-conscious anymore. You know, like, I'm not thinking about everything that I do anymore. Definitely worth it for the peace of mind that it gave me. I would definitely recommend it to anyone.